Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namah Shivaya. Thank you for joining. Today I'm sharing with you Navasana boat pose. So as a prerequisite, we do some leg exercises first. Extend the legs, push the heels forward, toes towards the face, and try to bring the left leg up. Try to get hold of the leg, it doesn't matter, behind the calf, ankles, if you can. Catch the side of the feet, keep your spine straight, look forward, relax the arms, relax the elbows. Focus here, eventually try to bring the thigh closer towards the chest without leaning back or forward. And release. Now change sides, right leg up. Again, catch somewhere hold of the leg, if you can, outside of the feet. Really push the heel away, toes towards the face. Relax the elbows, sit straight. Relax the neck and shoulders. And release. Now we try either, if you can, get some hold of the toes, thumb on top, try to bring one leg up, then the other leg up, or have the arms next to the body, facing forward, and bring one leg up, followed by the other leg up. Use your core, push the heels away, arms next to the body, reaching forward. Again, we are sitting quite upright, leaning back to hold the balance. Now if you can try to catch the big toes, loop the two peace fingers around, thumb on top. Now try to bring the thighs closer towards the chest. Sit straight rather than the chest down. Try to bring the legs high up. And now you can change the hand position if you're already here. Try to bring the palms under the calves. Now bring chest even closer, like in a forward bend. Good. Now if you can, release the palms. Palms in front of the chest in prayer position. You can also extend the legs wide apart. Hold the balance. Very good. Bring the legs together. And slowly with control, bring the legs down. Reach up and relax. I hope you like it. The other variation is to reach the toes. You can stretch forward, but you can also bend the knees. This makes it easier. Now loop the two peace fingers around the big toes, thumb on top. You bring the heels up first towards the abdomen. And now, once you have the balance, extend one leg, followed by the other leg. You pull slightly on the toes, you bring your chest up higher, you look forward. Try to keep the legs, abdomen fully engaged. The more engaged, the easier it is to hold the balance. And same here, you can release the palms, bring the palms in front of the chest, enjoy the balance, bring the legs together, bring the legs down with control. And that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel and follow the next tutorial. Leave your comments below, ask me questions, whatever you want to see next. Om Tat Sat. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.